Hi, this is Max with Grant's Outdoors, and on this video, Parker and I challenged my dad to a trout fishing challenge. We are fishing at Wolf Creek Dam Hatchery stream. The rules to the challenge are we all are using artificial bait. It is the first to catch 10 fish. Parker and I are on the same team. Let's see who wins the challenge. Hope you enjoy the video.
God, you missed out on white too.
Your brother's missing a bunch down there.
Tons.
What color did you go with, Matt Parker?
What?
What color are you throwing?
I have yellow and black. I'm using yellow and black right now. Oh, I got him.
Parker, go for him.
That's Parker, you're on camera.
Tell him that's number one.
Is it okay if I leave this right here?
Got number one.
Take down on a rock.
No, you're gonna. Now go hit the buttons.
It's all back on.
I'm taking it off.
There's a fish that just jumps nearby you.
Yeah, well, there's another fishing pole right there if you want to fish.
I'm not part of the challenge.
Hey, Parker, did y'all start the camera back?
Yeah, I have.
Ah. Let me come at this. Oops.
Parker's got one, right?
Oh, there's a fish out there.
Yeah, I missed a couple.
Oh, but I
Missed that one. A bunch of little ones.
Yeah, it does, Max. Because then you can tell if you have a fish because you can see your bait. But if it disappears, you know you have one.
Yep.
Golly.
A bunch of little ones right here, Max.
Got him. Hey, Max.
Yeah, there's a bunch. Parker's got another one.
I just have the coal.
Hey, Parker, show the camera.
Number two. There's two.
Right,
I don't think they know how to get out.
You're recording again.
So.
Hey, Parker, you doing it up high or low?
I'm doing high, see? Just like that. Ooh. You see how high I get jump?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Show it.
Number three.
Are you doing it up high again
Yeah,
like
see?
yesterday?
Yeah, I'm doing this. And
Yeah. Oh, there comes a big golly, Parker. Parker's got a big one down there.
I either have the color or the just.
Yeah, I think you need
doing
this.
it or I'm
He's kind of
fishing
got the
with it.
spot.
Got him.
Make that sweet.
No, that I already caught 3 fish, so this is my 4th. Number 4. So Max, cast it over there. Do you see that? Cast it over there and keep it where you can see it. Cause look, they're eating it. Look, I'll show you. You can see it.
Parker, you want to wear the chesty?
Nah.
You want to take your vest off?
Yes.
Well, take it off and sit over here. Hmm? Yeah, they like that.
Yeah, this is what
That
I'm
black
always
one for
for
some reason.
on these types of creeks. Because they are, yum! They are being aggressive. They are.
No, you got
Got
that.
'em.
Oh, you missed that one.
He just got the plastic. No. 12 places?
Yeah, Matt Parker will trade with Max.
Hold on 1 second. Let me fix my bait real quick before we trade.
That way, Max. Hey, wait, so y'all 2 versus me. You want this pole or that pole? There you go. Keep it up high. Keep it up high. Keep it up. Keep it up high. There you go.
Aww. Okay, it's fine. I can catch them anyways.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this.
What? What are you doing? What's up? What's wrong?
He's redoing then. Oh.
Hey, Maxwell. Maxwell, throw right straight
Dad,
across.
Max, I already had 2 follow mine.
Yeah.
I always
There
see
you go.
what?
There
I always
you go.
see some. There goes
That's
white.
a good.
About. Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a monster.
Keep it up.
Oh my god.
Mm. There's one for Dad.
Dad caught one.
Called a humpback. Look at that one, Max.
Oh, thought it was on the other one.
Oh.
They're going
There
crazy
went
now.
one.
I'm missing out. Keep it kind of like it's a tall
Yeah.
ball, Willie.
Just be real. Now, pop, pop, pop. Keep it up. Keep it up high. Keep it up high. There you go. Oh, you missed that one. Yeah, he did too. Yeah, he didn't spit it out. Parker, come put this on.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, you come put this. Go. You got any, Max? Oh yeah, yeah.
If they're chasing you, you need to slow down then.
Oh, you got him, Max.
Got him.
Oh gosh, that was. Yeah, your brothers. He is killing it today, isn't he? Oh man, Max, you keep getting the bigger ones. Good job, Parker.
Can I hit again now? Can I catch him again? No way. Yeah, no.
You want to fish it faster, Max.
Catch him
Oh,
again.
you got him, Max. Oh, you got him.
Got him! Yeah, okay.
All right. Good job, Max. Tell him what. Tell him what you got. Say that's some.
Rainbow trout.
Hey, Max,
Yeah.
I got it. So he didn't.
3 versus 1. 3 points versus 1 point.
All right.
How do you feel about that, Dad?
Y'all are kicking my butt. I haven't even got the fish yet.
You only got 1 point so far.
All right. Good job. Keep it up.
We have to get 10 since we have 2 teams.
Well, y'all probably caught 10.
And
or
we're
close
gonna
to
whip
it.
your butt, Dad.
You're still working my heart.
Yeah, Parker's killing us. You know,
Yeah,
that's the
but-
only.
Yeah, but he doesn't know all the fishing techniques.
That's the
as
only
well.
color we got. The only one we got that color too. Ooh, there's a snake.
Got him! Got him! I'm slaying these boys.
All right, Parker. Good job, Parker. That's a big one, Parker.
I know I'm.
Hey, hold your hook.
That looks be good.
You need help, Parker?
I don't think so. got him. I got him.
All right, let him go.
Hook should be good.
All right, now hit your GoPro. You got him, Max.
5 points.
Good job, man.
Max,
Oh, there
Dad,
he goes.
should I kick him?
Let him go.
Come on, get him. I'm get him. There you go.
Just slide him in the water, Maxwell. And then wash your hands and stuff. Oh, flip him over. Flip him over. Yeah, throw him out there deeper.
If he dies,
slide him.
I have
Don't
a
squeeze
string
him
if
too
he
hard.
died.
There you go. Good job, bud. Those little trout magnets are still the deal, aren't they?
Yeah.
Here you go. Parker, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I have to, so.
Here comes the little one.
I can see him.
All right. I will.
Oh!
They're hitting that fly, aren't they?
Yeah. They slowed down a little bit. I think they've changed what they really want.
They're using little trout magnets.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Damn.
I've had good success with those before.
He's got a black one and with gold on it, and it's the only one we could find or got, and they just are eating it like crazy.
Yeah, I've noticed that they're not biting anything deep right now. I noticed my fly will get a little too low, and then
You got him.
Hey.
Oh, do you want this one back? Oh, we got one.
He got a nice one. Got him.
Get him in there, Max. Oh, hang on,
Would you say that's our 9 or 8?
that's probably 9 at least.
I would say they're 8.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna catch on this pass so I get it. Okay, I'm gonna catch him.
I think that's number 8 for the boys.
Got him. I missed that thing.
Hey, remember to get back out of the water.
Got him. 10.
That's 10. 10 to 2.
Dad. I better hit this 4 times.
Missed that one, Max. You need help?
No.
Here comes one, Max. You got him, Max.
Okay, there you
Go.
go. 11.
That's got it. You need my help?
No.
All right, show it to the camera when you get it out. And then let it go, okay?
Me and Parker caught 10 fish all together. I really thought Dad was going to win. But no, Parker literally needs to fish with her. Right now he's trying to catch the fish I just caught.
Yeah,
Hey,
you kind of monster, Mac. I think.
so that's the end of the video today. I hope you guys liked the video. Max and Parker really took that tournament away and caught 10 to my 2. But hopefully next time I'll be able to keep up with them. You guys.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Got him.